Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Brothers YouTube channel, and in today's video we kinda have something weird going on over the night, and currently we are trading at the 86 at the price and at the time of us speaking, and throughout the whole night bulls versus the bears happened and we were struggling so much. Even though we got rejected, we are still keeping the price as we are currently speaking, so I'm proud of you as a community. As well as you know, since we have some nice announcements, make sure to watch this video till the end because we will talk about the price analysis and price prediction in today's video. Also, big shout out to my community. We are growing strong each day and we are so close to the 3k subs. So there you go. Thank you guys for big support, and let's start with the big news here. So basically, let's start with the announcements from the Twitter. Fox Condor actually made some interesting analysis over here about shibaswap and centralized exchanges, and some people don't understand the difference, so here you go. The centralized exchanges DEX like shibaswap are online platforms which connect users directly, so they can trade cryptocurrencies with one another without trusting an intermediary with their money. And centralized exchanges like SEC online platform where users can trade cryptocurrencies trusting this intermediary with their money. So this is the difference between the shibaswap and some centralized exchanges, so you know how it actually goes around. And this is why we need to encourage more and more people to use shibaswap so they can potentialize and make their gains as bigger as possible, because shibaswap actually has the greatest returns. Also, here's the interesting analytics over here about the shibaswap. Since basically more than 1 month passed and we actually reached 8.6 million views and total visits on shibaswap. So there you go. Shibaswap is actually getting more and more popular, and this is because we have such a strong community. And even though it's not looking like right now on the chart there's some changes because of the shibaswap, trust me, long term we will see those changes coming up. As you can see here on the 3-month chart, we really had some ups and downs, but we are currently at the uprising trend and we actually are fighting for that rebound. It's so hard because there are so many bears coming up at us and we are struggling, but we are doing just fine, guys. So we actually had an uprising trend from the August 6th and we are continuing to the rise, even though we had a rejection basically a few hours ago at the night, and we actually got a small dip right here. We are doing just fine, and I'll make a price analysis a little bit later on in the video. But there's kind of interesting article that I wanted to talk about from IBT, which says Shiba Inu is currently the third most talked about cryptocurrency in the world and is just below Ethereum and Bitcoin, according to a study conducted by the ICO Analytics ranging from July to August 10th, 2021. A recent report also shows that meme currencies such as Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and SafeMoon have brought 78 million first-time investors into the crypto market in 2021, making most millennials pump in their money in the hopes of better life. So let me guess how the article is calling. Yeah, that's right. Shiba Inu adds 1,000 new investors each day, report shows. So there you go. This is great in the long-term run. As you probably know, even though I'm huge fan of Shiba Inu token, I always express some problems that we are experiencing, even though right now I'm so happy with how Shiba Inu is performing and what are their plans for the long term. Speaking of that, we actually have a Reddit post by Ryoshi which says, hey everyone, if we want a consistent burn and to gain more Shiba for burning our shib, we should all look into Ryoshi Vision. Okay, let's hear it out. Ryoshi Vision gives us 1% of transaction fees to us ex-shib holders, and they also built in a burn mechanism to use another 1% of transaction fees to burn Ryoshi. We gain more Shiba for burning Shiba when we burn Ryoshi. Sorry, shibarmy, I was under the impression Ryoshi burned shib, but I was wrong. So there you go. There are some misspellings right here, but if every SHIB holder investors in Ryoshi, we could burn a lot of SHIB, hence increasing our price and decreasing our total supply. And that's the truth actually, even though it doesn't make so much sense. That's the truth, since they actually announced on the Twitter, Shiba actually announced on the Twitter that they are doing Ryoshi pair on shibaswap. This could be big. So even though if someone actually tries like that, let me know down in the comments, did it work and will it actually help? So there you go. Actually, one more article here before we start with the price analysis and price prediction. Shiba Inu coin resumes the uptrend after bouncing off the 50 SMA despite the delay in rewards. So you can see right here the chart saying Shiba Inu bounced off 50 SMA on H4 chart today, and right now you can see the bounce and the upward trend and forming of a new support level for Shiba Inu token after such a long time. And guys, this looks very promising. This is what we were expecting for, and even though we will have, actually, if you go to the markets, we will have Coinbase listing very soon, which means that actually some of the big hedge funds and some big investors and firms will be able to actually trade shibaswap and actually buy Shiba Inu coins as a huge investors. So imagine if that happens with the current forming of a support trend, what will that do to its current price? So we are actually looking forward to cut 1 or 2 zeros, maybe one for sure, but maybe 2 zeros till the end of the year. And if that happens, Shiba is really on the moon. Even though I didn't agree to the things that actually some of developers are doing and Shiba Inu coin team doing, for example, not using the real use cases of Shiba Inu army, the story of Shiba Inu is currently looking very, very good. Even though in 24-hour volume we lost basically 30%, we were on 1 billion yesterday because of the big pump that actually happened, we are currently doing just fine. So if you're a holder, there's no need to sell your Shiba Inu tokens. Basically, Binance is doing 230 million, L-Bank is doing 50, as well as the Huobi, and this is great. This is what we actually want to see. We don't want to go below the 300 million again, and this is going to look very fine in the long term. So about the price analysis and some price prediction, even though I'm not your financial advisor, as you probably know, I'm gonna make some kind of a price analysis for you so you know where we are standing currently. So on a 7-day chart, we still have a forming of a rising trend, and on 1-day chart we are not looking that good because we were fighting, as you can see, the whole night from the bulls and bears, and we actually got rejected right here and went down. This is not too big of a deal since we are still holding up to that 86 barrier, and there's a huge possibility that we will actually go green till the end of the day. So there you go. This is how the bear versus the bulls looks like, and this is why we were so in the oscillation from the 90 to 88 price point all the time throughout the night, and we were fighting hard, and we actually made our way back all the way till the 6 a.m. and then we actually had some major sell-offs and dips. We couldn't actually form new uprising trend and support level right here, so we actually went down. As you can see, that volume actually got down as we are currently speaking, and some of the sell-offs are happening. So if we get actually and we go down more in volume and basically we let the bears win, this could be pretty bad. So we could actually got declined from the all the way things that we were doing from the past 7 days. So this is why we need to stay strong. As you can see right here, this is the crucial moment for Shiba Inu token, and this is why we are looking forward for a new uprising trend and more holders. So there you go. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to smash that subscribe button since we are so close to basically 3k subs. And thank you guys for all the big support, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.